Hello, my name is Josh Smith and I want to tell you a story. It's actually a story about not having a story. Last year I attended a storytelling class where I realized that I don't have any stories. After all, I am a math teacher, and stories are for other subjects like language arts. Anyway, I was given an assignment to create a story and I was given the summer to complete it. So I set out on a journey and I made it my personal goal to find a story about math in the real world.
Honey, don't forget to tile the bathroom.
That's my wife, and she just pleasantly reminded me to accomplish my first chore of the summer. Gather the tools, make the necessary measurements, calculate the area of the wall, and that's when it hit me. In order to tile a bathroom, I needed to take accurate measurements and then calculate the area and perimeter of the wall space. You can see here that if the dimensions of the wall are 5 feet wide by 4 feet tall, I'll need 20 square feet of tile and 18 linear feet of caulk for the back wall. Ta-da!
Honey, that really tall birch is making me very nervous.
My wife again, this time reminding me to cut down a tree in our backyard. I have to admit, I'm a bit nervous too, because if I mess up, the birch may land on the roof. If only I knew of a way to determine the height of the tree without climbing to the top. I'm scared of heights. Wait, there is a way to use similar triangles to find the height of an unknown object. You can see here that the unknown height of the birch tree is 85 feet tall. But the tree is only 65 feet from my house. Be careful!
Happy birthday, honey. Here's $600 for a new iPhone.
Wow, that's great. $600 will probably last me all year. But iPhones are pretty expensive. Maybe I should use a two-step equation to calculate how long I'll be able to pay for my iPhone. If the iPhone costs $399 and the monthly bill is $59 per month, I can solve using the expression 399 plus 59n, where n represents the number of months. At this rate, the $600 will only last me a little more than 3 months. I'd better ask for more birthday money. Christy, can I have...
No, that's all the money you'll get.
Oh well. After some extensive internet searches, I found a website that offered a 20% discount on iPhones. Understanding that saving 20% off of the regular price of $399 means that you'll still have to pay the remaining 80%, I calculated that the sale price of the item is now about $319. Wow, now that's a good deal. I wonder how many months the birthday money will last me now.
Honey, you deserve a break. Let's go kayaking. Don't forget to check the river level, so you know how scared I get when the water level is too high.
Well, at least this doesn't have anything to do with math. I can finally rest my weary brain. Water levels are determined by measuring the cubic feet of water per second. We can do this by taking length, width, and depth measurements, calculating the averages. Wait a minute. I think that there actually is math involved in stream flow. In fact, here at TMS, we take field trips every year where students study stream concepts such as the stream flow rate. Just another example of 7th grade math occurring in the real world.
Honey, you need to take Hallie for a walk. You know how well she behaves when she gets out, and how poorly she behaves when she doesn't get her exercise.
My wife again, reminding me to help my dog burn some calories. Actually, Hallie is starting to gain a few pounds. We think because she's consuming more calories than she's burning. Let's use positive and negative integers to prove this point. If Hallie consumes 1,500 calories per day, but only burns 1,000 calories per day, there is a positive difference of 500 calories, which means an increase in weight. But if she consumes 1,500 calories and burns 2,000 calories, there is a difference of negative 500 calories, which means that she'll lose weight. Well, my summer is now over, and I hope that you can see that even though I really don't have a story, I have a great story. Math is everywhere, and it's not boring. Math is how to find the difference in size between my king and Mr. Booth's, or the roofing area of a barn, the distance in feet and inches that my dog Hallie can jump, and the speed in which Christy can ride Weston around the barrels. They're all math stories.